Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm. Today I'd like to show you how we clean up major messes in the flower shop and also some areas of my house, especially Lucy's dog hair. And I'm using a product called the Aspiron Lightweight Stick and Handheld Vacuum. And the fine folks over at Aspiron sent me this product. They wanted to know if I wanted to check it out. So I did, and I have to say I really like it. So I'm going to tell you guys what I think about it so far. So first of all, it's really cool because there's a light in the front of this, and it helps me see where I'm picking things up. This lightweight vacuum is only 4.5 pounds, and a lot of other lightweight vacuums are 9 pounds. And I also love that it has a few different power settings. So you can have light vacuuming on one mode, and then you can kick it into high gear when you have a bigger mess. So right now I'm going to show you what that looks like with this mess underneath my dinner table. I'm going to start off with the lower mode and then kick it into high gear. It's also super easy to remove all the debris that's in here by just pushing this little button. Your fingers don't have to come into contact with the mess. Push it down, the mess is gone. And now you can start all over. So easy. It also comes with attachments to get to those hard to reach places. So I'm just going to simply take this attachment off. And I'm going to put this one on. And it's going to allow me to get to those crevices against my molding. And then if you've got a tight cleanup in a smaller place, there's a smaller attachment that works really great. I've got some plants here that are starting to shed some of the insides, and they're coming out all over this table, so I'm just going to clean it up really fast. Super easy. Now I want to show you one of my favorite parts. It gets rid of dog hair. And you know, those of you that watch our channel know that we have a Bernese Mountain Dog, so there's dog hair everywhere. So we do a lot of vacuuming. So check this part out. This comes with attachments that go on the attachments. So I'm simply going to click this into place. I'm going to put this right in here, and it's going to get rid of some of that dog hair. So now we're going to take a walk out to the flower barn, and I'm going to show you how we clean up the big mess we have going on out there. We shoot a lot of YouTube videos in our flower shop, so the flower shop really has to be clean and beautiful all the time. All right, so we have a really big mess right here, but I'm not worried because I'm going to use the high power mode to make it go away really fast. We're used to making giant messes in here because we're growing flowers, and to grow flowers you need a lot of soil, you need a lot of seed starter, so there's always a giant mess going on here. But that's okay because we've got our tools that we use to clean it up. Sometimes when we're working, there are some spills that we have to deal with, and this is just normal, but we need to clean this up. And I love the attachments that are part of this kit, so check this out. Push it down, and the mess is gone. And this is great for getting in those crevices, those really hard to reach places. So right now on, even like this table right here, I've got a lot of grooves in here. It's really hard to get the dirt out of tiny places in your couches, around corners in your house, in crevices. So watch how easy this is. A lot of times we're using our computer when we're in here, and the computers of course wind up getting everything that we're working with on top of it. So a lot of times I have to clean off my keyboard. So this is a terrific keyboard cleaner. It's super easy to switch out the attachments from the vacuum head to the smaller ones and then back to the vacuum head again. Just clicks right in. Done. Super easy. I also love using this vacuum for a quick car clean out. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I wanted to let you know that the folks over at Aspiron have given us a link to follow that has a discount on it, and there's also a coupon code that I'm going to put in descriptions below, and if you use both of these, you'll wind up getting $30 off their product until April 24th of 2022.